Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through Xfinity stream buffering non-stop, 7 expert fixes for it. So let's get started. If you want to fix the Xfinity stream buffering non-stop problem, the first thing you need to do, that is the first fix, is to check internet speed. So use Ethernet for testing. Wi-Fi can fluctuate, that's why. So Xfinity recommends 25 plus megabytes per second for HD, but 50 plus megabytes per second is also ideal in 2025 for 4K or HDR. Fix 2 is to use Ethernet itself Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to 5 GHz band, which has less interference than 2.4. For long distances, use a MoCA adapter, and an MoC adapter. Xfinity's preferred solution for QoS wiring. Then, the third fix is to close background apps. On Roku, hold home button and then select close apps. On phone or tablet, clear recent apps. And that's it. Then, the fourth fix is to lower streaming quality. In Xfinity Stream, select settings, select video quality, and make it 720p so that auto may buffer more. So the fifth fix is to restart the modem and the router. Unplug both of them, wait for 1 full minute, then power on modem first before you power off the router. Power on the router. Then Xfinity's X5 Gateway 3.0 has a built-in speed boost mode. You can enable it in the app. Fix 6. You can clear app cache. For Roku, reinstall app, that is, you can just cache. Once you reinstall the app, the cache clears automatically. For Android, select settings, select app, select Xfinity Stream, then select storage, and then clear cache. The final step is to contact Xfinity support. You can ask for a signal boost, which is free for Xfinity Internet customers. And you can also request a technician's visit if latency is 650 ms. Hope you found this video helpful.